Then let's move on to let's try section. So question A. Question A. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 2? Encircle them. So here, let me choose just two numbers. I will choose 908 and 997. So here, is this number divisible by 2? Yeah, it's even number. This number is even because the last digit is like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So if the last digit is 8, then this is even number. Then we could say this number is divisible by 2, right? Yeah, 908 is divisible by 2. Then what about 997? Yeah, this number is odd number. Then it isn't divisible by 2. Yeah, it isn't because it's odd number. Then what about question B? Which of the following numbers is divisible by 3? Yeah, divisible by 3. Encircle them. Yeah, again, let me choose two examples. So here, what about 998 and 983. So here, to prove that this number is divisible by 3, the sum of all the digits, so here, sum of all the digits, 5 plus 5 plus 8, which is 18, should be divided by 3 without remainder. So here, 18 divided by 3, that equals 6, and there's no remainder. And we could say 558 is divisible by 3. Again, the sum of all the digits should be divided by 3 without any remainder to be divisible by 3. Then what about 583? So here, sum of all the digits are 5 plus 8 plus 3. So here, the value is 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? Yeah. 16 divided by 3. Then there's remainder. Then 583 is not divisible by 3 because the sum of all the digits are not divisible by 3 here. 16 is not divisible by 3 here. Then let's move on to question C. So here, which of the following numbers is divisible by 4? By 4. So here we should check the last two digits are divisible by 4. Let me choose two examples. 534 and 630. So here, the last two digits. So here, 34 is not divisible, right? There's a remainder. There's a remainder, and it's not divisible, then this whole number, this number, 534 is not divisible by 4. Then what about 630? So here, what you are concerned are the last two digits. So here, again, 30 is not divisible because there's a remainder, right? There's a remainder. Then here again, 630 is not divisible. So here, to be divisible by 4, the last two digits of the number should be divisible by 4. Then what about question D? D. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 5? By 5. Here we should check the last digit, whether the last digit is 0 or 5. So here, the last digit should be 0 or 5. So here, let me choose two examples. First, 278 and 300. So here the last digit is 8. It's not 0 or 5. Then it's not divisible by 5, right? Then what about 300? The last digit is 0. Yeah, the last digit is 0. Then it is 300 is divisible by 5. Yep. Then let's move on to question E. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 6? So here, question E, by 6. Yeah. So here, to be divisible by 6, the number should be divisible. The number should be divisible by 2 and 3, both. So here, let me choose 616. So here, this value is, let me divide it by 2. So here, divide it by 2, and 2 goes 3 times, and no remainder, and bring down 1 here, and 0 here, and bring down 6 again here, and 2 goes 8 times, and there's no remainder. Yeah, it's divisible by 2. Then what about 3? 616. Is it divisible by 3? Yeah, 616 divided by 3. 3 goes twice, and there's no remainder, and bring down 1 here, and 3 couldn't go there, and 6 bring down 6 here, and 3 goes 5 times, and there's remainder. Then it couldn't be divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 3. So here it is not divisible by 3. Then it is not divisible by 6. Yeah. Then let's move on to question F. Which of the following numbers is divided by 8? Yeah, by 8. To be divided by 8, the number should, the last 3 digits should be divided by 8. Or, let me explain that concept later. First let me choose 7,884. So here, what we are interested in is the last 3 digits. So here, 884. Is it divisible by 8? So here 8 goes once and no remainder, and bring down 8 here, and 8 goes once again, and there's no remainder, and there's 4. And 8 couldn't go there, and the remainder is 4.